Hoi anō, he huru huia kua hokona atu mo te waru mano e whārau tāra. He mea hoko te tongorerewa nei e tētahi whānau no te whanganui ātara I tētahi hui tau hoko taonga Māori.
He ai ki te kōrero mā te huru te manu karere, I nā hoki tōna wāriu. Engari I roto I te mākete hoko, I wai marie te kai hoko ki te utu warumano whārau tāra noa mo tēnei taonga.
It was a surprise for everyone in the room. We thought that there'd be a bid of around $1,500 to $2,000 for it. However, the bid soared into the late 7,000s.
Engari ko te pātai he aha hoki pēnei rawa te utu mo tēnei huruhuru.
They represented status for the wearer, so you would find women and men and sometimes girls of rank that were wearing single or sometimes more than one single tail feather from the bird, and sometimes all of the tail feathers, so there's 12 altogether, and that would be quite special.
There's a strong interest from iwi and private collectors in terms of acquiring important pieces of Māori art.
Ina ka noho ko tēnei anake hei whakatauira I te manu huia, ina he manu kore anō e kitea pera anō ki te moa.
Member of the royal family visit New Zealand, he was gifted a single huia tail feather, and when he went back to England they were seeing this tail feather as the latest fashion, and so of course people wanted them and they were caught more and more, and that ultimately led to their decline and extinction.
Kaore te whānau nā rātau tēnei huruhuru I hiahia kia mohi o tia koa I rātau. Engari hei tā neo, he whānau e kai ngā kauana ki nā taonga a te Māori. Rāpare tā whai, te karere.